Hello, today we will speak about how to change the connector on your Glock, on your Glock 44. So first of all, you need to perform safety check of your gun, remove the magazine, double check is it empty chamber, click and remove the slide. After you remove the slide, with a Glock tool, with this simple punch, remove the trigger housing pin first. Then remove the trigger pin. It's maybe a little bit complicated, but don't use force, just a little bit slightly move the slide stop lever and it will be fine. Yes, remove this pin. Then remove the locking block. Ambidextrous slide stop lever. And then remove the trigger mechanism housing with the trigger bar. Okay, put the frame away. And here we can see the connector. So to remove the connector, you need to remove the trigger bar and then push the connector out with your punch. So I already have the connector with marking minus. So it's I put it back and then put the trigger bar back. Check attention how it should be here. Okay. It should be below. Okay, then take the frame and put the trigger bar mechanism back. Okay, then we put the ambidextrous slide stop lever on its place, the locking block, and then trigger bar pin, trigger housing pin, and then trigger pin. Okay, to put it back, it's always a little bit challenging, but just as I told you, move a little bit the trigger bar or with the slide stop lever and you will be fine. Don't use much force, you don't need force here, just okay, it's don't want to put back. And it should be click when it puts on its place. Okay, so we put frame back, put the slide back on the frame and perform how it works. It was just fine. Okay, so you have changed your connector on your Glock 44. Thank you for your attention. Bye.